are going to understand the concept of load balancing in cloud computing. Okay, so let's try to understand what do we mean by load balancing and how it will be helpful to the cloud, and what are the different technique which will be used in the load balancing. Okay, so these are the questions that we are going to answer. Now, the first question is why or what is the need of the cloud load balancing algorithm or load balancing technique in cloud. Okay, so as the technology advances, it is common for high traffic website to serve a millions of requests from various client or user to return the appropriate images, text, etc. In order to make this process cost effective, quick and reliable, modern computing add more server, right? So what it is saying like, let's say we have a website, and definitely the number of user which are using that particular website they are increasing day by day. If you'll talk about, let's say, the Gmail, if you'll talk about Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, then we have Gmail, right? So the increase of these website is like double every 2 year, right? It happen, or double in every 1 year. So if the traffic to these website will be double in every year, definitely the infrastructure has to be increased, right? So let's say if we have the infrastructure like this, which is a whole server for a particular website. So definitely at 1 year we have to increase the capacity of that. So we should have that double server, or we can increase the capacity of this server, right? So either it will be vertical or horizontal scaling. Now the thing is how much we can do that. Means we all the time we have to get these server again and again, right? So if one server could not fulfill the requirement, we have to get another server or another computing resources to add on and to serve those millions of requests that is coming at a particular second or at a particular time to that particular server. As the traffic on the internet grows rapidly, which is about 100% annually. So it is saying that at 1 year, every year it will be double. Hence, the workload in the server grow so fast, which lead to the overloading of the server, mainly for popular web servers. There are two elementary solutions to overcome problem of overloading in the server. So when the request will be overloaded at a particular server, so there are mainly two solutions. So we'll see the solution. The first solution says that the single server solution, in which the server is upgraded to the higher performance server. However, the new server may also be overloaded soon, demanding another upgrade. However, the upgrading process will be expensive, and it is very much you can say hard and very expensive. Now, the first solution says that if you have one server, so upgrade that particular server. If in the server, let's say you have 64 GB of memory, so upgrade it to, let's say, 128 GB of memory. If you have 1 terabyte of hard drive, so you upgrade it to 2, replace it to 2. So this is one. And in this particular solution, it says that you have to do it all the time. Upgradation has to be done all the time. The second is with the multiple server solution, in which the scalable service system on a cluster of servers is built. And that is why it is more cost effective and as well as more scalable in built-in servers clusters system for network services. The second solution says that you have multiple servers. So you add on the servers and you make the cluster of these servers. So you keep on adding it. You keep on adding it and you make the cluster of these servers. So this is the second solution of how the traffic will be increased. Now, let's talk about the need of the load balancing. Okay.